Who's the real winner in the world of pets? Let's find out. First up, cats. These furballs are the masters of chill. They can turn any cardboard box into a palace, and their purring, it's like a mini massage for your soul. Plus, they have a PhD in napping. Seriously, 16 hours a day, that's talent. But wait, here come the dogs. These loyal buddies are always up for an adventure. Need a jogging partner? They've got you covered. And those puppy eyes? They could melt even the iciest of hearts. Fetch, it's not just a game, it's a lifestyle. So, who takes the crown? The independent, mysterious cat? Or the playful, devoted dog? The choice is yours, but one thing's for sure, both are positively awesome. Drop a comment below and tell us your favorite. Thanks for watching, and may your day be filled with purrs and wagging tails.